starting from the counterclockwise pinwheel. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and turn left to overhand weave, right turn 360, and a left turn 360, overhand giant, and 2, and 3, and then we're going to turn right to underhand giant, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and then come into the swivel, a 1, and 2, and 3. Now on this fourth one, we're going to come into the chasing the sun for 1, and 2, and 3. Now on the fourth one, sweep up over the top, wrap the point, come into the buzzsaw, split the time, plane shifted down on top of the right hand. Then we're going to corkscrew into the left hand on bottom, then corkscrew again, and now separate and come back together, separate, come back together, and now separate and do your 360 twice, once, twice, and then come back together, and then tap left, inside plane over, tap right, inside plane over, tap left, inside plane over, tap right. Now release, come up over the top, turn down, tap on the left, up over the top, come down, turn on the right, up over, turn down, tap on the left, up over, turn down, tap on the right. Now add the jump, up, jump, to the right, jump, 2 more jumps, up to the left, and to the right. Come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, and you're back where you started. Here we go. Let's start from the pinwheel. 5, 6, 7, go. And turn left to the overhand weave, turn right 360, and left 360 into your giant. And we're going to turn right to the other giant. And then we're going to turn into the swivel, 1, and 2, and 3, and sweep up into the chase the sun. And this next time through, we're going to wrap it up, come up over the top into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down, and come into the corkscrew. And now we're going to go onto the other buzzsaw with the left on bottom, back into the corkscrew. Do your separation, come back together. Do your separation, come back together. Do your separation, hold it in the snake charmer, and then we're going to turn and turn again, and then come back together. Tap left, up and over, tap right, up and over, tap left, up and over, tap right, release over the top, turn, come down and tap, up over the top, turn down and tap, and to the left again, to the right again. Now we're going to add the jump as we go to the left, and to the right, and to the left, and to the right, and now into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shifted up, and we are back where we started,